Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. In my yesterday's video, I showed you how the price line of Cardano has formed another triangle after breaking out the resistance of the down channel. And I shared this down channel for my members at the Patreon on 5th of October. And let me show you this chart first, and then I'll take you to the next triangle that the ADA has formed on the daily time frame, and within next few hours we can expect a big breakout from that triangle as well. And you can see at that time the price line. Let me open this chart, then I'll show you. It will be more visible for you on this chart here. Now you can see that this was a big channel on the daily time frame. The price line started the formation of this channel on 23rd or 24th of August and broke out the resistance of the channel here on 1st of October. Most of the top altcoins broke out on 1st of October. And after this breakout, the price line was having some correction, and I suggested my members here that this can be a stop loss because this is a really very strong and working as a key support for the price line after 14th of August. You can see that the price line used this level as a support very well, and here as well, and here as well before this breakout. And our stop loss can be from $2.02 and goes to $1.90. And we also had a bullish divergence on the chart. You can see on this daily time frame the price line formed this high here, and the next high was lower than previous high. And if we take a look at the RSI formed this high lower than the next high, and the next high was higher than the previous high. So this was the bullish divergence, and I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line is still moving sideways after this breakout. But during this move, the price line has also formed another triangle, and you can see that this is a symmetrical triangle, and we have a rejection here, we have another rejection here, and here as well, and we also have the valid support with different touches. You can see that we have a bounce here, and here, and here, and after this bounce, within next few hours the price line can break out this resistance because we are at the end of this triangle, and this is a make or break time for the price line, or decision making time for the price line to break out or break down. Now in case of breakout, we can expect our next target, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, can be approximately at $2.80. Previously I was placing this trend line here, now I am placing this trend line here because I'm expecting the breakout from here. But the bigger targets are still according to this down channel, and the first target is $2.60, and our final target can be $2.96. I'm expecting that after this powerful reversal, after this powerful breakout from this triangle, we can expect that the price line will break out this high of $3.10, and it can set a new high than previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.